Welcome Inner Universe community. I am Sanchita Pandey and here I am once again with a new topic for you. Our topic for today is true validation. Who doesn't like to get validated from others? Who doesn't like a positive feedback? Don't you like to be liked by others? People saying nice things about you, appreciating you. Everybody likes that, but do you need it? Are you sitting and looking to be validated by others? This validation must first come from you. How do you perceive yourself is what goes into your subconscious mind. That is what you truly think about yourself, and all your decisions, small and big decisions, they all come out of that perception of you. That is what you think who you are. So what is more powerful? Your validation of you is most powerful. And after that, whatever feedback back comes from others, well and good. Because you are not needing it. You're not desiring it. It is just, you know you are good, and then the same feeling is reiterated by others also. You are good in your art, or you know you are a positive person, and that is what you hear from others also. But sometimes it can be different. It is like you enter a space and they are not giving you the right looks. They ignore you, or they don't look at you in that positive light. They don't like you. They give you those types of looks where you feel like they just detest you. They do not like you. And now what do you think about yourself? Do you believe them? Now if you feel uneasy when they behave in this way, what this actually throws light upon is their opinion about you is more important than your opinion about you. And here is where you must make the changes. Your opinion about you remains constant. I am a good person. I love myself. And with all the negative and positive experiences going on in my life, I still love myself. That love doesn't fluctuate. But this is not the case with others. You are successful, people start liking you, appreciating you more. They want to, become your friends because they see you in that successful light. But when things are not going on well, maybe they just ignore you. I don't even know you. I don't recognize you because of what you're going through. So their relationship with you keeps fluctuating, but your relationship with yourself remains so constant. Once this belief goes into your subconscious mind that you are who you choose to be, you are who you think you are. I am what I am. That's it. So now you do not need validation from others. You don't give others the power to tell you who you are, how you are, what you are. It is okay. You enjoy their approval. That is fine. You enjoy their compliments. You enjoy seeing yourself appreciated or they recognizing you and appreciating you. It is so beautiful. But you already know it. And now this is the icing on the cake. You're not needing it, not waiting for it. Please tell me I am a good person. It will never happen. Now the thing is that when you believe in yourself, you just don't bother about what the other person thinks about you. You take your own decisions, not bothering about how they will perceive your decision to be good, bad, right or wrong. You have your inner protocols and your inner constitution. You follow that constitution and take your decision. This is what I think in this moment is right. This is the right decision according to me in this moment of time. That's it. You're not trying to take a decision which will be liked by everybody. So that is not being authentic you. If you want to align with your true self, with your own authenticity, then you need to forget about or give more power to what others think about you. You need to take away their power by not bothering about what they say about you, good or bad. And you need to live in your own power by not bothering about the facial expressions or their behavior. You see, most people do not know how they are behaving, because at any time of point, if they are very happy, they behave well. If they are sad, the same sad energy, hatred, irritation will be exuded by them, and it is not about you at all. It is about them. If they are not feeling good, they don't like whatever you are doing. And if they are happy, oh my God, they'll be full of appreciation for whatever little you have done. Hey, I haven't done that much. But they are appreciating you because that is the feeling they are feeling at that time. So it is not about you at all. Whether you are doing good or bad, it is not about you at all. It is about how they are feeling at that moment of time. But whenever you do not feel good anywhere, any place, in front of a person or in any space, you should recognize that this negative energy is a clear indication that you are not going on the right path. Change your path. That is not the place to go. It is not meant for your energy. That is why energy is everything, and start reading this energy. You can read energy when you go inside, when you go within. Then you connect with yourself, and now you know what is the kind of energy you love to be in, and your inner being or you, your authentic you, just doesn't tolerate a certain kind of energy, and so you should not be in that energy. So ignore or go away from that energy. Don't keep standing there and testing yourself. If you really care for self-love, and if you really care about your emotional well-being, which will lead to physical well-being, then you should take care of this kind of energy that your body, inner being, or you, your true being, feels all the time. Pay heed. And this will come only by awareness. When you are aware of how you are feeling at any moment of time. And it is a clear indication of the thoughts also. You cannot think negative and feel positive. So another way to know you are going right, you are doing right, is how you are feeling at any moment of time. And you can check every 1 hour how you are feeling. And if you make it a point to do this every day and you feel good most of the time, imagine the beautiful impact of this on your physical, mental health. And it will also become a guiding force which will tell you where to go and what places and people to avoid. Now, you see, this is absolutely surprising that when you seek others' validation, you get less of it. And when you don't bother about what they speak about you, what they think about you, how they perceive you, they give you more respect. So now stop giving others power and take away that power and keep it where it belongs. It belongs to you. Who you are meant to be, who you are in the now, is how you decide to perceive yourself. And so the power is with you. Now you feel beautiful all the time because your love for yourself stays the same all the time. And then the magic is that others start giving you more respect. When you don't actually bother if they are giving or not, that is the time when you start getting more respect. You start receiving more love, more validation, more of everything comes. Appreciation, because now you don't want it, you don't need it. You are love, and now more of it is coming. The same is the rule with manifestation. Think from the end. When you're already living in that vibration of having found, having received what you want to receive, now everything starts coming to you. You attract who you are, not what you want. So, stop looking for validation outside and love yourself more. Believe in your own abilities and believe in the power of prayer, and always remember that you are not doing, you are being done, and the universe has your back. Even when you do not know what is going to happen, you are in the whirlpool of problems, you should know that God has already heard those conversations. He's ready with the solution. God has already heard, and God already knows what is coming to you, and He has already lined up better places, better paths for you. So stay in the positive belief that better things are coming in your life, and believe in yourself. Prayer works miracles. So don't worry, channelize that energy towards praying, towards believing, towards imagining the best of life. Thank you so much. Inner Universe community, your true validation is that which comes from you. And I know you are awesome. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay smiling. Namaste.